Hi guys, what's up? My name is Saurav and welcome to another video for Limit Solutions. And this video I'm going to show you all how to fix if a keyboard is not working in Windows 11. So to fix this particular issue, all we have to do is we'll just right click on this start menu button and we'll just go to Windows settings from here. And now we'll just go to Windows Update and Security. And on the left hand side we can see that we're getting this troubleshoot option, right? So we'll just click on it. And here we just need to click on additional troubleshooter. And here if we'll just scroll down a little bit, we can see that we're getting this keyboard option, right? So we'll just expand it and we'll just hit on run the troubleshooter. So in my case I have not any issues related to keyboard, but in your case you might be getting something. The troubleshooting has completed and no necessary or updates were necessary. So this is how you can fix the keyboard issues, guys. So that's it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you. So do not forget like and subscribe. Until then, sorry, we are stay happy and love to learn new life exciting technical difficulties. Bye.